Hi, good morning. Good morning, classmate. Good morning, Doc Rico. I'm Joanna Marie F. Solayao, and my topic for today is global logistic and distribution. Okay, I'm going to discuss what is global logistic and distribution. Global logistics connects critical components of the supply chain from a product's point of origin to its point of consumption to ensure timely and efficient distribution of goods from producers to consumers. So si Global Logistics, ang best example nito is yung mga manufacturer, tapos si distribution, dito na pumapasok yung ah, pagdi-deliver nung product natin. Global logistics, other definition is defined here as a design and management of a system that directs and control the flow of materials into, through, and out of the firm across national boundaries to achieve its corporate objectives at a minimum total cost. So, si distribution naman is refers to the movement of the firm's finished products to its customers consisting of transportation, warehousing, inventory, customer service, or order entry, and administration. So, yun na nga, ang best example natin kay global logistics is yung manufacturing or yung company kung saan pinuproduce yung product. Once na ano na siya, maayos na yung raw materials natin, na produce na siya, na manufacture na siya, finished product na siya, pwede na natin siyang i-distribute or i-delegate sa mga uh, customers natin. So ito na nga, yung example na sinasabi natin si Global Logistics from the raw materials, component supplies. So si example natin is si manufacturing. Siya yung nagpo-produce ng items, materials management, and processing and assembly. So once na finish na, finished products na siya, dito na papasok si physical distribution which is meron tayong transportation, warehousing, inventory, syempre inventory natin yung products, customer, order, entry, and administration. Customers around the world. Dito na, once na na-distribute na natin, so papasok na yung delivery channels natin around the world. Thus, logistics managers must plan how to respond to changes as they occur. Logistic strategies. So, meron tayong apat na logistic strategies. One is customer procedures. Si customer procedures, for the most part, customers checkpoints as a shipment crosses each nation's boundaries have been eliminate duties and trade. Statistics now are a matter strictly between the origin and destination countries. So from the word customs, dito pumapasok yung delivery natin around the world. Harmonized product standards. Harmonized product standards prior to unification, each European country had its own manufacturing, packaging, labeling, and safety standards. For most every item sold within its boundaries under the European Union, pan-European harmonious standards are being developed and replacing most of the country's regulations. As a result, companies can manufacture single version of a product for sale in all parts of Europe rather than design and manufacture different versions of the same item for each member countries. Product harmonization will allow shippers to redesign not only their distribution patterns and facilities, but also their customer service strategies. So si harmonized product standards. Dito po pasok yung demonstrate that the products or process within a relevant logis legislation. So ano siya, yung kumbaga pag once na na-deliver na yung product sa kunyari dito sa country natin, pwede na siyang i-relabel. I-relabel transportation deregulation. Transportation deregulation. The European Commission is regulating transportation in Europe in order to open markets in members state to competition and to eliminate anto eliminate conf- uh, conflicting regulations that impede the flow of traffic between European countries. The regulation promises to promote the development of efficient, cost-effective service in all modes. So ano siya? Ah, simple na example ni the regulation is examine. So ini-examine nito yung mga ah, products natin. Number four, transportation infrastructure. As in Japan and the United States, growing demand for just-in-time deliveries increases traffic and exacerbates transportation bottlenecks. So, example nito is yung particularly international regional tracking. So, dito yung papasok yung mga roads, railways, ports, and airports. Managing physical distribution. Ito naman, meron tayong five examples. Si distance. Distance, the first fundamental difference is distance. Global logistics frequently require the transportation of parts, supplies, and finished goods over much longer distance than in the norm domestically. A longer distance generally supports higher direct costs of transportation and insurance for damages, deterioration, and in transit and higher indirect cost of warehousing and inventory. So, about sa distribution, most likely si distance, pag mas malayo yung dideliveran natin, may chances na mas malaki yung magiging cost natin at magiging mas mahal yung insurance na mapoproduce natin sa kanila. Katulad example ko pag ang gulay natin is nanggagaling kay Baguio. So, syempre, mas mahal yung cost ng transportation niya dahil nga naman sa gasolina. Kumpara mo yung gulay na manggagaling lang kay Bulacan. Next natin sa distribution is the foreign rate fluctuation. So, foreign intermediaries pala. Additional intermediaries participate in the global logistic process because of the need to negotiate border regulations of countries and deal with local government. officials and distributors. Although home countries, exports agents, brokers, and export materials work as intermediaries, providing and exporting services for manufacturing firm. So, si foreign intermediaries, dito na po pasok yung mga katulad sa costumes na meron tayong mga brokers. So, sila yung mga kinakausap natin para makapasok sa country na yon yung product natin. Next is exchange rate fluctuation. The second difference pertains to currency variations in international logistics. The corporation must adjust its planning to incorporate the existence of currencies and changes in exchange rates. Ito naman si exchange rate in fluctuation. Katulad nga ng dollars. So, hindi siya naka-fix. Time to time, nagbabago yung rate ni dollar. So, kunyari, nagkaroon tayo ng distribution sa gantong country. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na katulad sa telegraphic. Once na nagdan kayo ng telegraphic para mabili yung goods na yun, time to time nagbabago yun. Kasi once na dumating pa dito yung goods, pwedeng magkaroon ng extra charges. And number four, si regulations. Regulations, a bulk of international trade is handled by ocean shipping because the United States in the world's largest single trading country in both exports and imports, and most of its trading partners are located across the Pacific and at the Atlantic Oceans. US regulations and ocean transport service directly affects foreign exports to the United States. Example natin naman si regulations, kunyari si pag meron kayong bulk na kailangan nating i-deliver, so papasok na yung cargo which is sa barko talaga siya. Unlike pag nag-air ka, sa airplane kasi, limit lang ang pwedeng ikarga ng items natin. Yun yung dito papasok si regulations. And number three is security. Security was not an accurately serious concern until September 11, 2021 when the blatant terrorist attacks in the United States awake the world to the im- importance of domestic and international security measures. Transportation costs of exports have increased because of the extra security measures that shipping lines and international operations face. So, security, dito pumapasok yung mga insurance ng mga ah, product natin na dinidistribute natin. Kaya si security, isa to sa mga dumadagdag ng cost natin. Mode of transportation, value to value ratio. Si value to value ratio, ito yung uh, is defined by how much value is added to the material used in the product. So, ito lang naman yung mga nadadagdag natin sa mga product natin, like kunyari sa delivery, sa raw materials, kung tumaas ba siya o ano. Si number two naman, si perishability. Ito naman yung product refers to the quality degradation over time. and or product of lens along the product life cycle. So, kunyari, mabubulok siya, yun. Dito na rin, kailangan natin syempre mas, kailangan natin, kunyari, ice cream. Example natin, dapat syempre yung truck na magdi-deliver sa kanya is merong refrigerator or dapat malamig. So, dun nagbabago yung mga kind of transportation natin. Number three is cost of transportation. Should be considered in light or the value to value and perishable of the product. So, dito po pasok si value to value and perishable, si cost of transportation. And transportation. Ano nga ba yung mga kind ng transportation natin? So, meron tayong ocean shipping, which is yung mga barko natin. Si air freight, yung sa, ito naman yung mga light na kunyari, meron lang tayong cost of goods na mga damit, ganyan. Pwede natin siya sa air freight na padaanin. Intermodal transportation, ito naman yung si intermodal transportation is more than one mode of transportation is usually employed. So ito yung kunyari, kailangan natin siyang pa-air, tapos pagdating pa sa isang country, kailangan ko pa ulit siyang ipa-air. So, yun si intermodal transportation, hindi lang isa ang nagagamit nating transportation. Yun lang po. Thank you.